As someone who works with creators all the time, helping them figure out what to charge for sponsored work, this is a comment that I see a lot. There's a few reasons why this can be happening. Obviously, number one, we are in the middle of somewhat of an economic crisis. Obviously, there are brands who are a little weary about spending money. Other thing to think about here is that the rates that I'm giving you are what I would like to see you get. Doesn't always mean that's what you're going to get. Some brands have huge budgets, some have very, very incredibly small budgets. So the numbers that I'm giving creators as what their suggested rates are going to be can definitely be flexible. Even a lot of the times when we see bigger brands that you guys think have billions of dollars to spend specifically on influencers, a lot of the times those brands also have small budgets. Even with these rates, they're ideal, but you're always going to have to negotiate. I have my starting rates. That does not mean that's what I get paid for every single post. And the third thing that I think is most important is if you feel like you're pitching your rates and you're never getting good responses from brands, and brands are always like ghosting you, or they're like, haha, good try, we're not paying you anywhere near that. One thing that you could be doing wrong, not telling them, this is why I'm valuable. You're saying, I create really great content, but guess what? So do we all. We're all great content creators. That's why we do this and make money off of this. So what is it about hiring you that makes you different and is going to get this brand to say, oh my God, it's a no-brainer. Like, we have to give her the money. Let's find the money somewhere because we've got to give this person the money. It is going to be variable for every single brand you work with. You just have to find a way to make it all work for you and your finances.